guys, Lynn Kenning here again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to create a Halloween makeup. So watch and learn and join me guys. So first, of course, we're going to apply our foundation. I already have my base. So, direct na tayong foundation.
Blending is the key. And, syempre mag-headband muna tayo at nakakalat yung hair natin. And then, of course, after that, set natin ng loose powder ang ating foundation para mas flawless, mas long-lasting siya. Sana lumabas na maganda kasi hindi kompleto yung mga eyeshadows ko dito. Yung mga colored ko kasi guys, nasa province. But anyway, gawan lang natin ng paraan.
And then the eyeshadow base, which is the cream color base of MAC. So just to intensify the color of the shadows, guys. So my inspiration is mermaid makeup. So Beauty mermaid makeup.
Or Valentina. Basta may skills. Tingnan natin kung anong lalabas.
Alright. And time to put this on. First. And of course, since I don't have the blue here, so I will just apply the purple and the pinks.
Ang ganda ko pala pag ganyan, no?
So look at my nose. Amazing. This is not the usual net stockings that we see in some of the makeup application, but we'll try.
So first color will be the purple guys, and of course make sure na hindi mag-move yung net para makita mo talaga yung shape ng scales after mong matanggal. So ganun lang yung gagawin nyo. And then so yung color combination natin guys will be purple, greens, and pinks. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. And for now, syempre purple muna on the outer layer of my forehead, and then combine ko with greens, yung pinaka outermost layer ng aking forehead. So ayan, lalagyan lang natin ng green, guys. Pero mas maganda din kung gagamitan nyo siya ng sponge or malaking brush. Then the contour color will be dark green as well. So kung sa tingin mo nagmo-move yung net, hold mo lang siya guys para ma-preserve mo yung kanyang shape.
Okay, so time for pinks.
So I'm going to use a bigger brush here kasi mas malaki na yung area guys. And kaya naman nating i-control tong area na to. So bigger brush, or you can use your beauty sponge, beauty blender guys.
Look at my nose. And we'll combine this with the beautiful pink, a lighter pink.
And then on the chin will be a lighter shade of pink then, para meron tayong dimension. Oh. Kaya kung kayo gayahin nyo to, bahala na kayo. Pero maganda din yung pink and blues, guys, or pink, blue and light green. So gaya nga ng sabi ko, wala kasi akong mga colors ngayon dahil ibang makeup ko nasa province pa. Basta deposit lang kayo ng colors, guys. And then, as I said, make sure na hindi nag-move yung net.
Do I look good? My God.
So, we're almost done. Make sure lang natin na kahit paano, pantay naman yung mga colors natin, guys.
Okay, you'll apply some here on our, but of course, make sure that this won't move. So we're going to apply on our neck using the purple color. And of course, on the other side. And it's time to take it out. Oh my God, this is so nice. Okay, wait.
Grabe, ang ganda ng result, lalo na in person. Pero kung makikita nyo, di ba, maganda talaga siya. But, syempre, i-enhance ko pa yan, guys, para mas lalong gumanda on photos talaga. Pero promise, in person, super ganda na siya. O, diba? So, mermaid pa ba yan? Or Valentina na?
Then, applyan lang natin ang mga shimmers kasi wala yung mga glitters ko din dito, guys. Alam niyo. And then, guys, eyeshadow. So, using the cream color base, again, of MAC. So, I'll be using and then the purple on the corner, on the crease.
Don't forget to blend it well. Kahit Halloween yung makeup natin, kailangan maganda pa rin yung eyeshadow. Elegant and clean. And then smudge lang tayo ng purple then on the lower lash line. Extend lang ng konti, and then, of course, the shimmer on the corner of the eyes. And highlight the brow bone area. And time for our brows. So, I intend to do the bushy eyebrows, all natural, not too heavy. So, ititrace lang natin guys ng white eyeliner yung lines ng stockings para mas bongga talaga yung effect niya. And charan! Bongga! So, nagdagdag na pala ako ng black eyeshadow sa corner ng eyes ko, guys. Kasi parang mas malamlam yung eyes. So, maganda pag black, dagdagan natin para mas daring, mas mysterious yung dating. Diba? And there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have learned something from this video that you can use on the next Halloween. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel.